Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Dior promo code that helped me save a significant amount of money on my Dior order. And yes, it's completely free. If you're looking for a working Dior discount code, stay tuned because the process is quick and easy. How do you get the Dior promo code? It's very simple. First, grab your smartphone. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Next, go to the website linked in the comments section below this video. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Dior. Tap on the Dior result, scroll down the page, and you'll see the currently available Dior promo codes and coupons. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your code. Please note that these Dior discount codes are limited and personalized. To make sure no one else uses your code, you'll need to unlock your own exclusive promo code. For step-by-step instructions and direct access, check out the pinned comment below. I've explained exactly where and how you can get your Dior promo code today.